Solana is currently in this very interesting demand zone and the chance of seeing an explosion soon is extremely high. In this video, I will talk about Solana and share my price prediction for the future. Before we start the video, join my free Telegram group where I share daily analyses on Bitcoin, Solana, and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. Solana is currently ranked 5th among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of 73 billion US dollars. And on the weekly time frame, we can see that we have already seen very bullish interest in Solana. Most coins have just risen a bit after this accumulation phase. Solana has already risen over 1000% from down to top. And Solana has this first supply zone. Here it broke very strongly to the upside and showed very bullish interest, and then Solana hit this resistance at this, reacted to the last high here, and then showed bearish price action. But on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we are still in a bullish trend with higher lows and highs. And lastly, we broke above this last supply zone again. So bullish interest here, and after this last consolidation, we saw this push out of this demand zone, and we are currently testing this demand zone. And if we see bullish interest now, the chance is extremely high that we will see rising prices for Solana. If we look at the liquidation heat map, we can see that there is a lot of liquidity around $175 during the last period highs, which means the chance is extremely high that Solana will take this liquidity, which is here over these. It is a good opportunity to invest in Solana in the short term and to place a long trade. And when we naturally see this bullish reaction, it's important that we first break this last high. And if we then see bullish price action from Solana, it is of course also important that we break this last high to the upside, and then we come to this important resistance at $204. And if we then break it to the top, then we will see a real explosion for Solana. And when we get this explosion over this last high here, then the old all-time high is also not far away, and the chance that Solana will see significantly higher prices than the last all-time high in this bull run is extremely high. And if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool, we also get new price targets for this bull run. And then we have these three very interesting price targets in particular. And I think that in this bull run, we will see a price target of $667 for Solana. Solana is one of the biggest in the crypto scene, and it has very high usage. So I see Solana at least at this price target in this bull run. And if we look at the next price target, then we have one here for $919. And I think that is still realistic. I think there's a high chance that we'll scratch the $1,000 mark. Of course, it depends a lot on how the bull run goes, but I think that Solana has high potential. That means on the one hand, I am already invested for the long term and see very high potential in Solana, even in the short term. Extreme buying positions are opening up here, as well as short-term trading opportunities. Because if we also use the Fibonacci retracement tool for the last swing here, we can see that we are currently reacting exactly at the 0.618 Fibonacci here. And if we go down here, but don't get a body close below these lows, and now see bullish price action and move up from this low here, then the chances are extremely high that we will see higher prices and reach this last high here at the liquidity of $175. Run. That means at the latest, when we take out this last high here and see bullish price action, I would look for a long entry and then initially target these last highs or set significantly higher price targets if you want to keep this trade longer. And if you don't want to miss any trades from me, join my exclusive Signal group. There I share all my trades, which I personally take in real time, and also my crypto spots. I can link in the description. So, in summary, I think that Solana is an extremely good project with extremely high potential. We can see a price target of at least $600 to $900. And I think that we can see a short-term increase here. Said, if we see bullish price action here, we will see lower prices, especially if we lose this demand zone here and break down here. If we don't, I expect rising prices in the near future for Solana. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you lots of success in trading and see you in the next video.